Hey, what's up guys, Faisal here. Let's go to the point and roll the intro.
Thanks for watching BDI Tech. Click the subscribe button, then enable notifications with the bell icon so you won't miss any future video.
Is that a gram? New card. What do you think?
Whoa, very nice.
Have you ever faced a situation where you needed a client business card and you left it in the office? Well, living in 21st century and carrying a stack of business cards is like riding a horse on a highway. All you need to do is to download the app called CamCard and carry hundreds of cards on the palm of your hand, where and when you need them. Launch the application and scan the card by pointing the camera on the card. CamCard will scan the card and automatically scan the company name, telephone, email, designation, address, and more. Well, most of the time, it's pretty accurate. Sometimes the scan information might not be accurate, but don't worry, you can manually edit and correct the information. Once you have done the scanning and fixing CamCard, the information will be automatically saved to your telephone contact list. Let's have a look. There we go. The information, phone number, email, fax, all information is saved. One of my favorite features of CamCard is that you can export all the scanned card information in Excel sheet. Soon the application will allow you to also export the contact information to Outlook and Google Contacts. It will also store the actual image of the card and you can always refer to it in case you need it. The free version of the card will scan 500 cards for free. The paid version comes with unlimited scanning and storing. If you're a type of person who deals with business cards a lot, like marketing and real estate, this app might come very handy for you. So this is how you save the stack of cards on your mobile device on CamCard. When you need them, you will find them easily throughout your all devices, either your mobile device, laptop or iPad. If you find this video informative, please smash that like button and subscribe to our channel. I'm your host Faisal. Until then, peace.